Assalamu alaikum. Myself is Dr. Asim, Assistant Professor in English, Government PG College, Sambal. My lecture write-up is on the theme of love, marriage, and family in the play Candida over Notsa. Varnatsa is one of the most outstanding dramatists of the 20th century, and some critics regard him next to Shakespeare in the history of English dramas. He wrote many problem plays on different aspects of life. He gave a new direction to English dramas. His dramas are the dramas of ideas. He also prepared the audience ready to welcome the dramatist of the new age. He regarded the drama as a medium to discussion and reform. His plays are serious as well as comic. His plays have a purpose. He says that I always have to preach, my all have a purpose. Varnatsa was socialist and he wanted to give the new ideas to the new generation. He had studied the book Das Kapital, and this book changed his outlook of life. He used the theatre as the medium of his views. He wanted that the socialists take the supply of the general things as life, food, clothing, traveling, housing to the needy people. His views on love, marriage, and family have been described in the realistic manner in Candida. Here, the dramatist touches certain reality of normal wife's attitude to normal husband. Candida's attitude is an attitude which is not romantic. She is realist. The main problem in the play is the need and unity of the institutions of marriage. Is raised the question whether a woman should continue to stay with her husband even they are mutually incompatible, or go go with her romantic lover her who understands her feelings. Candida, Moral, Eugene raises this issue. The play reveals the inner hollowness of the major characters. Moral, who does not understand his wife. He does not know that it is Candida who provides him with comfort and freedom from worry. She is a mother, a sister for him, besides being a wife. Contrary to it, it is the young poet who understands Candida and loves her. In the end, Candida is asked to choose either of them. She opts for staying on with her husband. The poet goes out from the house in the night. Varnatsa objects to marriage and family because these institutions are based on false economic and false biology. Varnatsa in Varnatsa describes the realist nature of Candida. He believed in the theory of love for the sake of marriage. He was against faithless wives. He himself liked Candida because she was a faithful wife. She did not disturb the family peace because she loved Moral with her depth. She taught a lesson to Eugene and told him what is love. Sir was realist and he did not like the romantic attitude of Eugene. Moral and Candida are happy with each other after the departure of Eugene. The purity of home is maintained, although Candida is frank, and Eugene, she never entertains sinful for him. Eugene lived in the world of his romantic illusion. His world of illusion is shattered by Candida. Candida shatters the illusion of her husband also. In the auction scene, Candida shows her reason and an intellectual approach to life. She tells her husband that she also does not important things to run